hotel?
This hotel is around 41 hectares in size, and then we have 90 villas and 20 Fari studios.
What is our
Your room number is 220 in the water villa, Sunsets. Yes, and dinner at Brasa. Brasa is our steak restaurant. I have the itinerary. I will share it with you. So every villa have bicycle in here. Your villa number will be 220, and then your bicycle tanks also will be 220.
So very stylish villas.
Sorry?
Very stylish.
Yes, very modern.
So last one.
The last one. Vamos. Okay, ti deve ಈಗ ಅಳಗಣೆ
So it's a good place for swim. Swim.
Swim, yes. It's one of the best house.
Ah, you have house in there.
Yeah, here.
Uh-huh.
You can directly go down from the villa. Swim.
You have in room for snorkeling?
I can bring it to the villa.
Сейчас только это. Давай, снимем сначала. Please, хорошо.
Welcome to your home.
Hello, please. Yeah, you can drop. There.
I'll keep this.
So tell me, what is good?
So this is a sunset over water villa. We have a very beautiful house reef where you can directly go down from your villa. And also, if you're very, very lucky, you'll be able to see some dolphins.
Ah, dolphins.
Yeah. And if you would like to go out, we have a pin. You pull this one and you push the doors.
What is more?
Now, if you keep the door open for too long, the AC will switch off automatically. So if you want to keep the room cooler, just to make sure that the doors are closed. And also we have blackout blinds. They will also not function as well. And we have switches on two sides of the bed. For this one, you can control the lights as well as the blinds. Now this is going to be a minibar. Now minibar is included with water. We have tea and coffee. You can find our minibar pricing list in our application. And also we have our selection of wine and the bottle of Dual Leroy. This is complimentary from us for you to enjoy. Nice way to start your holiday at Patina.
Super.
And also we do have some soft drinks. Now, except for the small champagne and for the beer, the rest of the minibar, non-alcoholic drinks are included, one per day. Yeah. And the housekeeping team, they will come 2 times in a day for cleaning services. So the amenities that we use in the bathroom, they are from Heckles, so it's a seaweed-based product. It's really nice for your skin. Heckles. And the toilet, it comes with a sensor, so it only works while you are sitting. And we have buttons on the wall, so I'll get you to figure that one out. If you wish to do any laundry, you have a laundry bag. You can fill out the form and the housekeeping team will take care of it. And in this cupboard, we do have a beach bag and a yoga mat for you to use. And safe. This safe is operational with 4 digits. And we have a hairdryer, iron and iron board in case if you would like to iron some clothes. And the light controlling of the bathroom is over here. If I could get your passports. Thanks so much. May I have your passports, Mr.